Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Blossom with Kiran. Today we are making paper mache clay. This is very easy to make, affordable and eco-friendly. Firstly, we need a newspaper and cut it down or tear it in a small pieces like this and try to make it very small as you can. After tearing the pieces of this newspaper, you have to soak these small pieces into the water overnight. Make sure your all newspaper will be dipped into the water properly. Okay, then the material required for the paper mache clay, we need glue, so clear glue, oil, any oil you can use it. I use mustard oil here, newspaper dip in water and the chalk powder. Next day, grind the soaked newspaper. Grind the newspaper in a very smooth paste. After grinding the newspaper, it's look like this. You can say it's very fine. After that, you have to squeeze the water from it, but still paper will be moist like this. I am squeezing the water and the paper will be the moist but don't have much water in it. It's look like this now. Now in this pulp, take a glue, a clear glue. Add this glue into the pulp and mix it well. Slowly, I will add full bottle of this glue. All the paper mix completely with the glue and make sure that there will be no lumps in it. Now it's mixed well, you can see. I will add more glue in it. Now we will add chalk powder. Now see this pulp, we will add glue in it and there is no lump in it. Then add chalk powder. Add the chalk powder slowly and keep adding it. Mix the chalk powder well and add some more chalk powder slowly. Keep adding it until we get a nice smooth dough which we use to make chapati as like it. Now it's time to add oil in it. I am using mustard oil. You can use any kitchen oil in it or a baby oil or any kind of oil in it. It's not necessary that you use mustard oil in it. And make a dough fine there will be no cracks in it. You can see now it's a fine dough. It's looking very fine and there is no crack in it. You can see it. I'm pressing it and there is no cracks. Now it is ready to use. You can make anything, any flower, any kind of statue, showpieces, wall painting, clay mural, etc. You can see there is no crack in it. You can see this, it's very easy to make. It's affordable also, na? So try to make it at home and make me know that how do you like it. Now make sure you have to keep this dough in a tight container or wrap it in a polythene or a poly bag, any kind you have, like this, and knot it. When knotting the poly bag, make sure there will be no extra air into the poly bag and knot it like this. You can keep this for 6 months if it is nicely packed and sealed. I am taking one more poly bag and knot it to ensure that there will be no air in it. Like, share and comment. Subscribe my video if you like it. Thank you.